We have an iPad Air 2 here that's pulling higher than usual amperage the moment it's plugged in. It's also not turning on, and the PMIC chip itself does get warm. In our experience, this usually means that the chip itself is bad and needs to be changed. So we're going to go under the scope here and use hot air to pull off the defective chip. Once the work area is cleaned, we can install the new one. And once that's done, we'll give it a quick clean and pull the board, let it cool. Now that the board is cooled, we can put it into the housing and test. Plugging it in, we can see that the device now turns on and is pulling a regular charge. It has been repaired.